Adapting to cultural differences in presentations. Hello there, learners. In today's video, we're delving deep into understanding how to adapt your presentation skills to cater to different cultural nuances. As the world becomes more connected, it's vital for us to be mindful and understanding of the various cultures we might come across in the business world. Adapting to cultural differences isn't just about respect, but it also ensures that our message gets across effectively and as intended. Being culturally sensitive means recognizing and respecting differences and adapting your behavior and communication style accordingly. In the context of presentations, it can make the difference between being understood or misunderstood, appearing respectful or inadvertently offending your audience, building rapport or creating distance. Key takeaway: the importance of cultural sensitivity lies in building trust, communicating clearly, and fostering positive business relationships. Different cultures have varying interpretations of gestures, body language, and facial expressions. Here are a few examples. Eye contact. In many Western cultures, maintaining eye contact is seen as confident and sincere. However, in some Asian cultures, too much eye contact can be perceived as aggressive or disrespectful. Hand gestures. A thumbs up might be a sign of approval in one country but could be offensive in another. Key takeaway: always research and familiarize yourself with the non-verbal cues of your audience's culture to avoid miscommunication. Language isn't just about words. It's about the context, tone, and even the speed of speech. Direct versus indirect. While Western cultures often value directness, many Eastern cultures value indirectness and humility. Be mindful of how you frame your arguments. Use of humor. Humor doesn't always translate well across cultures. What's funny in one culture might be puzzling or even offensive in another. Key takeaway: tailor your language and tone to the cultural preferences of your audience to make your message resonate. Different cultures have unique ways of showing respect, especially when it comes to hierarchies. Addressing titles. In some cultures, it's crucial to address someone with their professional title. Agreement and disagreement. In certain cultures, openly disagreeing or saying no can be seen as rude, even in a business context. Key takeaway: navigate the cultural norms related to respect and hierarchy to ensure a smooth presentation experience. In conclusion, while the core of your presentation, its content and message, might remain the same, the way you deliver it should be adapted based on the cultural context. Being culturally sensitive will not only make you a better communicator but also a respected and trusted business associate. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into adapting to cultural differences in presentations. Happy presenting!